say and this is minus 20 dB slope, and this is minus 40 dB slope, and this is omega 1. This is omega 1. So this gives you omega, and this gives you dB. Now let us write the transfer function for the Bode plot given. There are two lines. So it indicates that there are two factors. So my first line is minus 20 dB slope, and second line is minus 40. So minus 20, minus 20. So minus 40. So I have two slopes. The first slope is minus 20 and second slope is also minus 20. This is the meaning of minus 40 dB. Now we have two factors. Let us see the second factor first. The starting frequency is given. Omega is equal to 1 and slope is minus 20 dB. For the second line, what is the corner frequency? Omega equal to 1, the starting frequency, and slope is minus 20 dB. So factor is written as, since it is minus 20 dB, so 1 by 1 plus, because of minus 20, it is 1 by 1 plus. Now corner frequency is 1, so 1 by 1 is 1 S. This is the factor for the line minus 40 dB. Now first line, it has a slope of minus 20 dB, and now our reference is omega equal to 1, and naturally this is 0.1. If any line passes through omega 1, and the slope is minus 20 dB, then k equal to 1, then it means that the k is 1. If any line, if our slope passes through omega 1, first line, then k is 1. So the factor for first line, k is 1 and slope is minus 20 dB. Since this is first line, so our factor is 1 by S. 1 by S. Since it is minus 20, 1 by S. If it was minus 40, 1 by S square. Now our transfer function can be written as 1 by S, 1 plus S. This is the way we have to find out a transfer function for a given Bode plot. Let us take second example. Now let us write the transfer function for the system shown here. We have four slopes. So we have four factors now. We have four factors and three corner frequencies are given. So omega 1 is 1, omega 2 is 20, and omega 3 is 40. So let us see the slopes first. The first line is minus 20, and then now it is 0. So there is a slope of plus 20, minus 20, and then plus 20. Now after this there is a slope of plus 20. So first slope is minus 20, minus 20 plus 20, it has become 0 dB slope. 0 plus 20, it has become plus 20 slope, and plus 20 slope minus 20 dB will become 0. So we have four factors: minus 20, plus 20, plus 20, and minus 20. Now let us take the second one first. The corner frequency is omega equal to 1, and slope is plus 20. Slope is plus 20. So our factor is 1 plus s. The factor is 1 plus s because slope is plus 20. So 1 plus s, and corner frequency is omega is equal to 1. So 1 by 1 will give you s. So this is our second factor. Now let us see third factor. Omega is 20 and slope is plus 20 dB. Slope is plus 20 dB. So the factor is 1 by 20 is 1 by 20. So it will give you 1 plus 1 by 20 s. 1 plus 1 by 20 s. So this comes to be 1 plus 0.05 s. This is my third slope. This is my third slope. Now last slope, omega is 40 and slope is minus 20. Minus 20 dB. So factor is 1 plus 1 by 40 minus 20 means 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 40 s. So this becomes 1 divided by 1 plus 0.025 s. So this is my third factor. So first, this factor is 1 plus s because of plus 20 dB slope. This is 1 because of positive 1 plus 0.05 s. Corner frequency is 20. And third line, third slope is minus 20 dB. So it is 1 divided by 1 plus 0.025 s. Now these three slopes are done. First line. Now first line indicates a slope of minus 20 dB. So there is a factor 1 by s. There is a factor 1 by s. Now you see here the line has gone below this line, omega equal to 1. So it is below omega equal to 1. So it means that there is a k which is less than 0. Because of that, this line has shifted down. So how to find k? Now you see here it has gone down by minus 9. The Bode plot has gone down by minus 9. So we can write 20 log of k equal to minus 9. How much it has gone down? Minus 9. So 20 log of k is equal to minus 9. From this, we can find that k equal to 0.35. So k is equal to 0.35. K is less than 1. So our Bode plot has gone below this line. And let us now write the transfer function. So we can write transfer function k is 0.35. We have two factors, 1 plus s, 1 plus 0.05 s divided by s 1 plus 0.025 s. So this is the transfer function for the Bode plot. given. This is important. How to find k? So slope of this is minus 20 dB. This is 0. Slope of this is plus 20 dB, and this is 0. And this part is given. This is minus 12. Now let us write or let us find the transfer function for the system given in above figure. We have 4 slopes. Minus 20 is the first slope, and then it has become 0. So there is a plus 20. Then again it has become plus 20, and then it has become 0. So minus 20. So we have 2 minus 20 slopes and 2 plus 20 slopes. Let us write for the second slope. The corner frequency is 2.5, and the slope is 20 dB plus 20 dB. So our factor is 1 plus 1 by 2.5 s. Our factor is 1 plus 1 by 2.5 s. So this becomes 1 plus 0.4 s. So this is the factor. This is the factor for your second slope. Now, when omega is 10 and slope is plus 20 dB, omega equal to 10 and slope is plus 20 dB. So our factor is 1 plus 1 by 10 s. Because it is plus 20 dB, 1 plus 1 by 10 s. So this becomes 1 plus 0.1 s. So this is our second factor, which is represented by this line. Now third, omega is 25 and slope is minus 20. Slope is minus 20 dB. So what is the factor? Factor equal to 1 by, because it is minus 20, 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 25 s. So this becomes 1 divided by 1 plus 0.04 s. This is my factor which has a corner frequency of omega equal to 25. So I got three factors, 1, 2, 3. Now let us solve the first factor of first line. Now it clearly indicates that line is below 1. So there is a factor k which is less than 0. So how much it is below, we don't know. So let us take this triangle. Let us take this triangle. So let us find out the dB. So dB equal to slope is minus 20, log of 2.5, and this side is log of 1. So I am trying to find out what is this dB. I'm trying to find out how much is this dB. So taking this triangle, I'm taking this triangle. I know the slope, I know omega 2, I know omega 1, and I just want to know what is the dB, this dB. So log of 2.5 minus log of 1 into minus 20. So this becomes minus 7.95. Minus 7.95. So this is 7.95 and total is 12. So how much is this one? So my 12 minus 7.95. Four point 0.05. So this is 4.05 dB and this is 7.9. So total becomes 12. Now it is very clear that the Bode plot has shifted 4.05 below omega 1. So I can write now 20 log of k equal to minus 4.05. It has shifted down by 4.05. This is 4.05. So my Bode plot is 4.05 below at omega equal to 1 crossing. So this becomes k equal to minus 4.05 divided by 20 0.62. 0.62. So as I said, k will be less than 0. So we got k equal to 0.62. So this is k, and the factor is 1 by s because it is minus 20 dB. So now we can write the transfer function. Now we can write the transfer function gs equal to k is 0.62, and then we have two factors, 1 plus 0.4 s, 1 plus 0.1 s, divided by s. Then we have 1 plus 0.04 s. So this is the transfer function for the plot given in the question. Now let us solve one more Bode plot. So the Bode plot is given, and let us find out the transfer function for this Bode plot. Now, as you can see, there are 6 slopes given: minus 20, 0, plus 20, 0, minus 20, and minus 40. Now, minus 20, first slope. Since second slope is 0, it indicates that there is a plus 20. So minus 20 plus 20 will become 0. Then there is a plus 20 dB. Now minus 20 plus 20 is 0. 0 plus 20 is 20 dB. and then again there is a 0 dB. So there is a factor of minus 20 here. So this has become 0. After that we have minus 20, and then we have minus 40. So minus 20 minus 20 will give you minus 40. So we have 6 factors with all these slopes, and you can see here the first line is minus 20 dB, and it is above 1. There is a shift of, so k value is naturally greater than 0. So let us find out k first, and we will take this triangle. We'll take this triangle to find out dB. So dB equal to slope log of omega 2. Now for this triangle, omega 2 is 8 minus log of 1 log of 8 minus log of 1 into minus 20. So this is minus 18. Minus 18. So how to find k? 20 log of k is equal to minus 18. Since k has to be greater than 0, so k equal to 8 plus 18, and the factor is 1 by s, because the slope is minus 20, so factor is 1 by s. Now second, let us see second. The corner frequency is 2, and slope is plus 20. So now factor is 1 plus 1 by 2 s. So this becomes 1 plus 0.5 s. This is my second factor. Let us calculate third factor. Omega is 4, and slope is plus 20 dB. So factor is 1 plus 1 by 4 s. 1 plus 1 by 4 s. This is 1 plus 0.25 s. So this is when omega equal to 4. Next, when omega is equal to 8, so there is a minus 20 slope. Slope is minus 20 dB. So our factor is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 8 s. So this becomes 1 by 1 plus 0.125 s. This is the factor at omega equal to 8. Now, when omega is equal to 24, when omega is equal to 24, slope is minus 20. Slope is minus 20 dB. So our factor is minus 20, 1 by 1 plus 1 by 24 s. So this becomes 1 plus 1 by 24, 0.042 s. This is the factor at omega equal to 24. Now last factor, when omega is equal to 36, my slope is minus 20. Slope is minus 20 dB. So factor is equal to, since it is minus 20, 1 by 1 plus 1 divided by 36 s. 1 divided by 36 s. So 0.027. So this becomes 1 by 1 plus 0.027 s. So now we have so let us write down the transfer function now. So the transfer function is equal to we have k8 then we have 1 plus 0.5 s, 1 plus 0.025 s divided by s, 1 plus 0.125 s, 1 plus 0.042 s and then we have 1 plus 0.027s. So this is the transfer function for the plot given above.